How to use PayMaya or Maya to withdraw crypto on Binance P2P trading. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can use PayMaya or Maya to withdraw crypto on Binance P2P trading. Well, the process itself is pretty simple. First things first, you want to simply open up your wallet, and then you want to head over to the trade option. Under it you want to select the P2P trading. Once you do so, you want to select the crypto that you wish to transfer. Then you want to make sure that the transfer is from the spot to the P2P wallet, and then go ahead and select the crypto and the amount and go through the process and prompts. Your funds is on P2P wallet. You want to select the P2P option from the trading, and then you want to select the P2P trading option under it. Then you can choose the express for the quick withdrawal as well. So once you have done so, once you have chosen the option, then the next step is to select the currency. For PayMaya, it is PHP, so you want to tap on the currency at the top right corner, and then you want to select the PHP from the list, and then go ahead and tap on sell and select PayMaya as your wallet to receive your funds, and then you want to select all the other details and go ahead. So this is how you can easily use PayMaya to withdraw crypto on Binance P2P trading. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.